everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Mask Monday Ladies video collaboration. So today, you guys, it's late Sunday night. I just got in from birding from basically about 6:45 until dusk with my friend over at another friend's farm. It was a lot of fun, but I am a little behind. So I thought this week, you guys, I intended to do this mask. This last week I did not. This is the 111 Skin mask. This is a rose gold brightening mask. I got this mask from the beautiful Miss Johana from Unboxing&More, and so I thought we would do this one. It's a wonderful mask. And then, you guys, I do have my Copacetic Cosmetics month bag. So I thought we would get the mask on and go ahead and open up the bag from Copacetic. Check that out. I do need to pick a winner for last week's video giveaway. Here we go, guys. And then, of course, we do have to do another giveaway. So, going to be a little bit going on here. Woo. All right, really messy. I always forget how messy this is. Oh, really drippy. It's really, really oozy. If I can do it with the plastic on, and then try to get the plastic off. Trying to get the plastic to separate from the cellulose mask is always, it's so, I don't know if I can get it to come off. So what it is, there's a biocellulose mask underneath this plastic sheeting, and it's just, there we go, stuck. See? There we go. I have to be careful I don't end up ripping it. Woo. Oh, it feels so good. I did grab my silicone mask because I'm not sure. Maybe it'll stay on without it. Feels so good. I love this mask, you guys. It is a wonderful, wonderful sheet mask. So I got this on Amazon. This is wonderful. You can get packs of these, or you can get them singly, however you want to order them. I will put a link in the description. Oh my gosh. In the description on the video. Oh, you guys. There we go. Okay. It's a hot mess. I'm going to cut this because it's sliding all over. There we go. Okay. Hopefully that'll stay held up for a little while. Holding on with my headband. Let's get into Copacetic Cosmetics, you guys. This is what it looks like. It's just a couple of items from a very small indie brand. And sorry, I'm just very gooey here. You get, basically, you get a little sample-sized nail polish. Ooh. And some other items, which, if I can get into it, my hands are so slippery. Okay. And here it is. So you do get to customize this to some extent. They offer a couple of choices in each category each month. You go in, you fill out a form, and then they will send you the items you picked. So I did pick these items. I went in last month and picked these. I did also go in recently to pick my next items. So, okay. You always also get a little kind of extra goodie. So you end up getting 4 items, even though the bag basically is 3 items. So I'm going to show you the first thing I got. This is a little sample size nail polish. This is their Cascade polish. And it is in, oh, I can't see, Unhinged. And it is a really pretty green color. I'm going to go ahead and open it and show you guys. Woo, hang on, I didn't make a drip here. That is what color it is. It's a really, really pretty color. I did pick that one. There was, I think, 3 options. So it is just meant to be a sample size. It's 5 milliliters. It smells like nail polish, without a doubt. Okay, and then this is the pressed eyeshadow. It is a 26 millimeter pan. The color I chose was Snake in the Grass. Let me open that up and show you guys. See if I can get it to open. I think this is the one I chose. And this is a really, really beautiful color. It is a pressed highlighter. Actually, I'm not sure. This might have been the free item. That's really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and swatch that. Ooh. Look at that color. There it is. That's really pretty. It's got some shift to it, actually. That's really pretty. All right, and then we do have, I think that might have been the extra item. That might have been the extra item because this one does sound familiar. This is Slither. And this is their pressed eyeshadow. And let me just show you the pan. I'm just pulling the pan right out, you guys. Okay. This is, again, it's called Slither. And this one is an eyeshadow. Let's go ahead and swatch that. Ooh, that's pretty. That middle finger. Ooh, wow. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm building it. Wow. All right, it's underneath that. It's the second one down here. So the highlighter and the eyeshadow, really pretty. That's really, really pretty. Okay, and the last item I received is this is Snake Eyes. This is the really pretty lippy. And of course, these are just little samples, these small ones. The shifting, you guys, I don't know if you can see the color shifting on that is phenomenal. Greens and golds turning to like reds and almost purple. Very, very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on the top of my hand. Wow. That's just beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, so right below my knuckles, right there. You guys can see that. Sorry, you guys, if I'm not really showing the shift on that. There, maybe that'll do it. Sometimes you almost got to get on the horizontal. That's really pretty. If I see it this way, it's pink, very pinky, and then you shift it around, it's a totally different color. The greens and golds, and then it brings on that pinkish reddish shift. That's really pretty, very multi-chrome. So that was it. That was what I chose, you guys. Like I said, very, very easy to get this. It is quite customizable. I mean, you can't just pick anything off their website. Each month they basically decide what they're going to put in the bags, and you get to pick, like the nail polishes, there's 3. You know, the eyeshadows, there might be 4 colors you get to pick. The lippies, there might be 3 or 4. So you just fill out the form. They show pictures of everything. You fill out the form, and then they send it to you. So these are stunning. They're really pretty. That's pretty. The one thing I have to say I really have not used much has been their nail polishes. This is the one I got in the prior month. This blue, and honestly, you guys, it's really translucent. It looks really opaque in here, but it went on very translucent. Like, you really need some sort of dark base color under this, or you have to put a lot of layers on. So I don't know about this one yet, but yeah. Lately I am working on doing my nails, you guys. As you can see, I got 8 of them done. I haven't gotten these 2 done yet. I just ran out of time, but so I don't have any color on right now. So I don't know. I might test that. It's kind of pretty, really, really pretty. It is, again, called Unhinged. These are available on their website if you want to check them out. So, all right, you guys, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to pause you guys. We'll insert the video here for the winner. And the winner, whoever is named the winner, you will have 48 hours to contact me. Drop me an email, opinionatedhorsewoman@gmail.com. I will need your address. Obviously, I will need your email address, but that will be very evident when you email me. And then it's up to you if you would like. You can give me a cell phone number. I can add it into the tracking information, and then you can elect if you want to get tracking updates via text message. So that's entirely up to you if you want to do that. So yeah, and then we will come back, you guys, and let's do the giveaway for this week. So hang tight, everybody. Let's go pick a winner, okay? All right, everybody, it is time to pick our winner for last week's Mask Monday Ladies giveaway. I have the URL pasted into the comment picker, and of course the word I asked you guys to use was the flower, which is crocus. And let's see how many people entered. There were 48 entries. So good luck, everybody. Let's find a winner. Miss Robin from Robin's Closet said, "Good morning, Stephanie. Such a fun mask you find. I am not sure what a crocus flower is. I will Google it. Do they have a face mask for it? Congrats to your winner. Hugs." All right, you guys, I'm going to go double check. Robin is subscribed to me, so hang tight a second. All right, you guys, I was having trouble on her channel, so I did come back in here into the studio, which sometimes is really the quickest, easiest way. So here's her comment, and then this little icon here shows she's publicly subscribed. If you hover over it, it tells you how long. She's been subscribed to me for at least 8 months. So congratulations to my friend Miss Robin from Robin's Closet. Girl, you got 48 hours to drop me an email at opinionatedhorsewoman@gmail.com. I'll need your address and all that good stuff just to verify, and well, I will get that sent out to you. So congratulations, and you guys please just say congratulations to the winner. If you know Robin, I don't mind if you let her know. She should come watch this, but a lot of times people just don't watch videos once you name the winner. So thanks, guys. Let's go ahead and get back to Mask Monday Ladies and get into our next giveaway. All right, everybody, welcome back. Congratulations to our winner. So I am going to go ahead and pull this off. This is a wonderful mask. It is the rose gold mask from 111 Skin, and I was gifted this wonderful sheet mask from Johana from Unboxings&More, and I love it. Just a wonderful mask. It has a little scent to it, not at all unpleasant. Tons of serum. It is one of those biocellulose masks, so it's kind of slippery. That's what it looks like. Very slippery, a little extra serum in there. Feels really, really nice on the hands. And you guys, I'm just going to leave the serum to soak in because it is so hydrating. It is such good quality mask. All right, so let's get into the giveaway for, as I reach for my pen and paper, we have a giveaway for next week. All right, let's just get into it. First thing we got is going to be you guys know I'm a proponent of this, and of course we're going into spring. We'll soon be into summer. Got to have your feet in beach order. These are so nice. They're very hydrating and moisturizing. Put them on your feet. You guys do not walk in these. Please do not try to walk in these. They're very slippery. You will fall. If you just cannot sit still, you need to at least have on a good quality pair of slippers, okay, or socks or something, because I am telling you guys, these are so slippery. Do not walk in these. All right, we have that. And then, of course, you guys got to keep your hands hydrated. These are a great, great mask. Both of those came from the Dollar Tree. They're wonderful. They're like 15 to 30 minute masks for your feet and your hands. And then I have a sheet mask. This is from Claire Beauty. It says a vitamin C and collagen brightening mask. It is Korean beauty, made in Korea. All right. And this is 15 to 20 minutes. And then under your eyes, we're going to give you this. These are those beautiful hydrogel under eye masks. You leave these on as long as you leave your face mask on. So 15, 20 minutes, however you want to do that. And then you guys know how much I love these. You can put them in the refrigerator or the freezer briefly and help take all that puffiness from around your eyes. I like them for if I have a headache. They're very cooling on the eye area, which helps reduce, in my opinion, take some of my headaches away. So you can put them in the refrigerator for an hour before use, or you can put them in the freezer for 10 minutes, okay? But you can't leave it in the freezer. And you can apply it to the eye area for 15 minutes on, and then you have to take it off for like 15 minutes, and you can put it back on. So they're really nice. You can see they're those nice gel beads. So super fun. I love these. I love picking them up. Okay, and then I did grab a couple odds and ends in the sort of skincare / makeup category. I have from this Evio Beauty, this is their Perfecting Primer. You guys, I looked through my collection. I have like 20 face primers, and I just can't. You guys, they'll go bad. I'm going to have to start giving some of these away. There's no way I can use all that. So this again is Evio Beauty's Perfect Primer. It is a matte finish. So there's that. Then I have I just got this in my Beauty Creations mystery box, their banana setting powder. Y'all, I have way too many setting powders, and I really don't use it. So this is wasted on me. As you can see, still sealed, totally sealed. Then I got this recently. This is the Be a Bombshell in Teal. Just got this. Where's my little, there it is, my tool. It's a really pretty color. It's a wonderful base shade. They call it an eye base. Basically, it's a base eye shade. You can put this on, and then you can put like a shimmer over it if you want. But you can use it how you want, and it is really pretty. It comes in this, it's glass, and this is the color. So it's like a blue. You guys, I never wear blues, so I really don't. So this would be lost on me. Honestly, it would be a waste. I don't feel that I need to be wasteful. It's called Big Teal is the color. So I'm going to let you guys have that. And then finally, I took a inventory of my setting sprays, and I'm horribly embarrassed about the like quantity of setting spray that I have. That's like full-size setting sprays. I have like 12. So I did get the collection from the Beauty Creations, and they had like a set of 4 of these, and so they're cute and they're perfect size to send you guys their little samples. This is the Rose setting spray from Beauty Creations. So I thought I'd let you guys have that as well. All right, so what you need to do in order to enter this, first of all, you need to be publicly subscribed to my channel, which means that if you are picked as the winner, I can go onto your channel and find myself under your subscriptions. I will link down below in the description the help from YouTube, because by default, YouTube defaults everybody's subscriptions to private for privacy reasons. So you need to go in and change that setting to make sure they're public. So you need to have a mailing address here in the US, okay? And anywhere in the US 50 states, we'll also include Washington, D.C. You need to be an adult, 18 years of age or older, okay? And none of the brands that I've shown you guys are in any way affiliated. You all know I purchase these things on my own with my own money. You're going to need to leave a comment down below in sentence format to include my super secret word. And let's see, I was birding today with my friend who is an avid birder, and we saw a beautiful warbler bird. So I want you guys to use the word warbler. That's a tough one, okay? Warbler. I will show you guys. You're never gonna be able to read my handwriting anyway, but it's Warbler. I'll put it on the screen, guys. So leave that down below in sentence format. Okay, that's a little challenging for you guys, but it is a bird. So go Google it. Let me know if you've seen any of the warblers. There's lots of them. They're very pretty. So it was really cool to see one and hear them. They have a really pretty sound. So yep, that is basically what you got to do. This is going to go for the next week. It will close next week, Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Time, okay? And then I will reveal the winner on the following Monday, that Monday's Mask Monday Ladies video, all right? Let me know if you guys have any questions, all right? I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much to Johana from JM Unboxings and More for the awesome sheet mask. You guys, my skin feels so soft and hydrated. The serum in that mask is it's just amazing. Like I said, I put the excess on my hands. They just feel so soft and smooth right now. So thank you to Johana. I will have her linked down below in the description as well. If you don't know her, and I'm sure most of you do, but if you don't, check her out. She is fabulous. All right. All right, you guys, don't forget to check out everybody on that Mask Monday Ladies hashtag. There's got to be over 100 channels that are doing it now. It's a lot of fun. You can learn a lot about the various masks we all use and meet new people. So have a great week, you guys. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.